Alright, this will be a test of the HoloLens 2's tracking. What I'm going to do is start drawing at that door, and I'm going to walk through this entire building, which is pretty big, and I'm going to try to close the loop where the loop should end. So let me start here, and I'm going to walk in a loop. This is the computer science department in Maryland, which is a big bean shape almost. So I guess I'll start the loop right outside here. Looks like it already got confused with me walking outside. Alright, I guess I won't worry about the one that's supposed to be in there then. I'll start here. Okay, there we go. Let's say start. Okay. And this is right in front of 5207. And I'm just gonna put my finger out in front of me and walk. For my purposes, I really want to know this because if I can close the loop, then I should also be able to reconstruct the space using the depth information. I don't think that this drawing app does occlusion. So when I turn around, I should be able to see the red line on the other side of the building. Okay, there it is. I'll make another loop around. Just so that we can see it along the hallway. I don't know exactly how big this building is, but based on previous recordings I've done here, it takes about 7 minutes to walk around the building. Maybe less. Probably less because I'm just walking. Normally I'm doing more. Okay, so this is the other side of 5207 where I started. So hopefully that is right in front of the door, like it should be. I may also do another one of these outside near the big quad or something. Get some outdoors tracking data. Okay, so that's Baltimore Avenue on that side. And this is the last quarter of this trip. My arm's kind of hurting doing this. That's not good. Is that that a rendering bug? Oh, it's just a clip range. Okay, so obviously there was quite some drift. This building is kind of confusing because it's also, it's like all glass. But I thought it would fare better, to be honest, considering there are depth sensors in this headset. This is like a good, well, I don't even know where the visualization went now. I guess maybe the app crashed. I guess the app crashed. Well, that's sad. I don't know if it's well, the tracking is definitely handled by the HoloLens, but I don't know why the app just crashed like that. But that was like a good, oh, like 1, 2, 3 feet of drift. So that's pretty significant. I'll try walking halfway around the building as well, because I've done a similar test with AR Core on just a regular mobile device. I'm also going to make this bigger. I've done a similar test with AR Core, and it also got confused. For AR Core, it actually got confused, possibly in the same place. I don't know when exactly this one drifted, but it looked okay from the other side. But yeah, AR Core also got confused, and I think it may be because, not only because the building is glass, but also it's symmetric. I mean, as far as this device is concerned, this part of the hallway probably looks exactly the same as that one. So it's not an easy test. I can also try going up and down the stairs too, so whatever. First, I'm gonna walk around in a circle to just cover half the building. I think that'll probably fare better just because there's not as much symmetry, but we'll see what happens. So, okay, I'm starting here. This is right in the middle of the hallway next to 5207. I walk around in a circle. A lot of people think that glass itself breaks the tracking, but it's not really, like translucent glass is not going to be an issue because as far as the device is concerned, it doesn't exist, and it just worries about, well, just let go. As far as the device is concerned, the transparent, I keep looking away. The transparent glass doesn't really exist, so it just tracks whatever's inside the room. The problem is reflective glass, because reflective glass will convince the depth sensors or whatever other visual recognition system that you're using that the environment is moving when it's not. This little drawing app is good for testing stuff like this, though. Okay, it's starting to lag now. I honestly don't know if that problem is with the app or the device itself lagging. Oh, that's, what the hell? I don't know. I don't know what that was. It really hates this one part of the hallway, I guess. Interestingly, the start position looks like exactly the same place that I would expect it to be. So apart from that tracking hookup, it's actually not bad. Yeah, I mean, right now it's all static. And it looks like it survived pretty much the entire way around. It just hated this one part of the hallway, which I think is also where AR core failed. So I don't know if that's the point where it just doesn't recognize where it is anymore, or if it just loses, if it's unable to do visual tracking. Maybe there's, I don't know if it's a symmetry thing or what. If it tracks the same way that AR core does, then it could be recognizing keyframes, and it recognizes that two hallways look similar. So it adjusts itself accordingly. If it's just based on visual tracking with these depth sensors, then it's possible it just can't track this part of the hallway. It's too featureless or something. But it seems okay now. I'll try walking around in reverse. You can see what's happening. I mean, I can't really see depth that well, but that looks roughly the right distance away. There was an option for solid. Yeah, solid is the one that's shaded. We should use this next time. It might help with depth. This looks like it's in the right place. Probably get some good head bob data. Look at that. So that looks like it's roughly in the right position. There's the hiccup from before. And start is over there, which seems about right. The HoloLens recording may stop at 10 minutes, so yeah. I think that start looks like it's roughly in the right position. Can't really tell. I think it was just behind the door, so it seems about right. I don't know. It really does seem like the tracking just completely failed at that one point, but it survives me walking around. Maybe, oh, that was weird. I don't know. I don't know if I should blame the app or the HoloLens, but it's not bad. And a Reeb is a hard case, so I'll make another one of these videos for something that's easier to track. The lobby downstairs, which isn't that much glass, except for the outer part. And I will also go around the building. So that is it. Bye.